very warm November. In fact, I think the warmest on record. And we are putting up our Christmas decorations without a single winter accessory. Rosie, I can't see you very well. There you are. Kilroy up there with his sunglasses on. Got anything you'd like to say? Do you have anything you'd like to say up there, anybody?
I don't know. I wish I could go out on the roof.
I can't see your face, Em. I can just see the top of your...
I wish I could go out on the roof.
Seems to me you are out on the roof.
I'm not.
As far as you're going. Anything you'd like to say, David?
Happy holidays.
Very nice. All right.